am Anup Kumar, Assistant Professor at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, and I was part of the organizing team that organized the 20th anniversary Globelics conference at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation. In this conference, there were participants from all over the world, roughly from 40 countries, and there were around 200 papers that was discussed in the course of 4 days, along with some plenary sessions and special lectures. And the major theme of the conference was innovation-driven global knowledge economy. And all the discussions held here during this course of the conference was aimed at generating a knowledge-based economy, and the deliberations were successful. Very interesting points came out of the conference, and moreover it was an opportunity for the young scholars to network among themselves and get exposed to new ideas. In that way, I feel that this conference was an enormous success, and I hope that in the future also Globelics will continue to organize such events and we will get the chance to host them. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ranjit. I am an Assistant Professor of Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation. I was also part of the organizing team. After the COVID, I think it was the first time Gulati Institute has initiated such a big event. In the short span of time, we could organize, I think, most of the supporting system. I think I was from the beginning itself. I was part of many committees, and I was also chairing 2 sessions on the topic of innovation and inclusive development. I think the inputs, suggestions, and arguments came out of the session was very policy oriented. I think for the policymakers' point of view, it's a great input. I think all the officials, all the participants, they enjoyed the event from the starting to end. I hope the Globelics will continue the same enthusiasm in the coming editions also. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Dr. Meenu Mohan, faculty in Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation. As of being a member in Gulati, and this is my first experience here to be a part of this kind of a very big event, and this really gave me a lot of opportunity to learn new things, to interact with a lot of other people all around the world. So I think this is a great opportunity that I ever get since the starting of my career, and thanks to all the organizers for giving me such a big opportunity and all the support for doing my job in a excellent manner. Thank you.
Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad, PhD scholar at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Actually, the 20th Globelics conference was hosted by us in Thiruvananthapuram, and this is my first Globelics experience, and I'm feeling very proud to be a part of this conference as an organizer as well as a participant. This is one of the biggest conference I have ever attended. We have received almost delegates from almost 40 countries from the world, and I consider this as the greatest opportunity to interact and build connections with them, and which is very much important in the academic lives. We were having almost 9 parallel sessions for the 4 days, and it was very much enriching in terms of these discussions and presentations. I consider this as a greater space for presenting your works and getting fruitful comments and for the improvisation of your works, and I am very much looking forward to the next chapters of Globelics. Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Meghna Jaishankar. I'm a PhD scholar here at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation. So the 20th Globelics conference, it has been a really enriching experience for us, for all of us who are studying over here, because we got to meet people of different nationalities. Around 38 countries people were there in this conference, and hence we got to meet a lot of them. We got to interact with a lot of them, and especially right now, since today is the ending day, I can tell you we all did get a small taste of what innovation is, what are the different fields in it. So it has truly been an enriching experience, and talking with all these people has actually helped us in the process of taking a step at least in this journey of research. So the Globelics conference was entirely a great one. So yes, thank you.
Hi, myself Anuraj PK, PhD scholar at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, Kerala. So being a part of Globelics 2023 was a great or important privilege in my life, as it helped me to know more about different field of study. So I hope this will help my state Kerala and also country and different parts of the world to explore more on innovation and innovation driven economics. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ritik and I am a first year PhD scholar at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, and I have been part of the organizing committee of Globelics, the 20th anniversary of Globelics, and it was a great experience for us, especially the young scholars. We had a great opportunity to interact with renowned persons and the renowned academicians. So we wish all the best for the future endeavors of Globelics, and hope we can meet soon.
Hi, it's Anjali Krishna. I am the PhD scholar of Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, Kerala. It's very proud to be a part of the Globelics International Conference 2023, and it's helped me a lot of to acquire knowledge about different areas and innovation driven economy.
Hi all, myself I am Adit B. Nair. I am a research scholar at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, Kerala. It was an honor to be a part of a Globelics International Conference 2023. Through this conference, I have learned a lot about innovation, and the entire world is concentrating on Global South for innovations, research and development. And in this conference, as part of this conference and parallel sessions, there was so many thought-provoking presentations, enriching debates, which gave us lots. Through that, we could learn a lot. So through the sessions, it had developed, or it had helped us in framing a policy which would encourage in innovations for the Global South. So I wish all success for Globelics and its chapters in their journey forward. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Hi all, myself George K. John. I am a PhD scholar at Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, Kerala. I am also part of the organizing committee of the Globelics 20th annual conference. So it's an immense pleasure to host such an event. It gives us a lot of exposure with around scholars from 40 countries. Then it also gives insights to new arenas of knowledge, and organizing such a big event is actually a tedious task, but the final result gives us a lot of happiness, and I wish all the best for Globelics in the future